Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for the DIY nail girls who are looking to expand or restock their polish collection, tools, or equipment. Historically, retailers like Target, Walmart, and Amazon used to offer really competitive pricing when it came to anything nail related. Unfortunately, in my experience, that's no longer the case. Between the growing popularity of these stores, inflation, and heavy markups, items that you used to be able to snag for next to nothing are starting to really add up. Luckily, there are a handful of stores that skip all of the frills and cater to the consumer by offering everything you could ever need for your at-home manicures at really reasonable prices. So here are my top 4. First up is Five Below. If you have never been, as the name suggests, everything there is $5 or less, making it a perfect stop for budget-conscious nail enthusiasts. At Five Below, I would take advantage of their nail stickers, buffing cubes, and cotton balls. They do have a few polishes. I used to love their fresh paint line. I don't know if they carry it anymore, but that was one of my favorites. You can find some gems from Sally Hansen, Wet n Wild, and LA Colors here as well. Next on the list is the Dollar Tree. They recently upped their pricing to $1.25, at least in Connecticut, but the nail section is still surprisingly impressive. Similar to Five Below, you can find brands like Sally Hansen, Wet n Wild, LA Colors. I always stock up on my remover and cotton balls here, both regular nail polish remover and 100% acetone, which is great for removing gel, dip, and acrylic manicures. They also have a great assortment of manicure tools. I do have an extensive Dollar Tree nail video that I will link here if you're interested in seeing a full breakdown of all the nail things they have to offer. All right, now on to one of my recent favorites, and that is Ocean State Job Lot. This store is a total hidden gem when it comes to affordable nail care products. They carry a wide variety of brands, including some that you might not find in regular drugstores. You'll likely stumble across OPI, Orly, and some Color Club polishes, among many others for just a few bucks. Plus, they have all of the name brand essentials: nail files, buffers, clippers, and even some fun nail art supplies. I have become a huge fan of Ocean State Job Lot over the last year for all kinds of different things, not just nail related. Like, I love to get my dishwasher soap there. The most random stuff, but their prices are unmatched. Okay, last but not least, one of my go-to places for OPI polishes, SC polishes, and the best press-on selection is TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I find their inventory very similar. If you're looking for a great deal on some of the most popular polishes and all of the best press-on nail options, this is the spot. They often have some great name brand tools as well, and the inventory is a revolving door at these stores, so always keep your eye out. You never know what you're gonna find. Those are just a few of my favorite stores to stock up on my nail supplies and my polishes. You're gonna find similar brands and quality of tools at Five Below and the Dollar Tree, and then a bit more elevated selection at Ocean State Job Lot and TJ Maxx or Marshalls. However, all of these stores are going to beat Walmart, Target, and Amazon when it comes to pricing pretty much every single time. Today, salon prices have gotten out of control, and more women are starting to take their time and their money back by doing their own manicures at home. Remember, great nails do not have to cost a fortune. They do require a little bit of time though. Literally not one to speak right now. Mom life. But if you're new to the DIY nail world, welcome to my channel. Take a peek around. I have dozens of videos showing you how to care for your nails, how to polish your nails, and how to achieve your dream nails on your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips, and let me know where your favorite place to shop for discounted nail products is. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!